this tricycle brings back so many memories. It is easy to put together. I think it took us about 20 minutes. Just a few parts, the legs, the wheels on the back, the bell. Very easy to put together. It was a lot of fun, and it is very, very attractive. It reminds me of the tricycle I used to have as a young child. If you have a young child, grandchild, niece, nephew, this is a beautiful gift for whatever the reason is, and I think you would enjoy it. I want to recommend it to you and hope that you have many years of service and fun with it with your children, grandchildren. Bye-bye.
Okay, so this is the radio flyer. My grandbaby is now 3 years old, but I bought it for her when she was like a year and a half. So just writing it is no problem. But if she accidentally pulls up, boom, it comes apart with no problem. I should say, without little effort. And then if I'm trying to carry it up and down the steps so we can go outside and play, if I pick it up like this, the whole thing comes apart. That's annoying. Do better, radio flyer.